As best as possible, the real estate industry is continuing to operate despite our current challenging conditions. This is Cheryl Pocock with Realty One Group with your monthly market update. Housing is a vital need for people, and real estate is an essential business. We're still out there looking for people that have the need to buy or sell residential property. Although we're armed with new tools of the trade like virtual open houses, interacting with clients remotely when possible, limiting the number of people who come to home showings, and lots of hand sanitizer and disinfectant. The Valley's been in a very strong seller's market for a long time. The real estate market is much slower to react to economic shifts than other industries, and it could take months or years to move into a buyer's market. Real estate prices are tied to supply and demand. As long as demand exceeds supply, prices will rise. The bigger the gap, the faster prices increase. We've been in that economy for a long time. As the gap between supply and demand closes, price increases slow down, and it's not until supply far exceeds demand that we see any drop in property values. It is predictable that the coronavirus will resolve and some level of economic recovery will occur before we move into a buyer's market. 1 month into the crisis, we're seeing some changes in the market. Buyer activity has dropped off almost 50% since early March, with many businesses closed and high levels of unemployment. This is no surprise. However, it may be a good sign that last week's listings under contract fell less than in the last 3 weeks. For buyers who have struggled to find properties, those still in the market are finding less competition and more choices, and interest rates are still very low. Inventory, which has been at historically low levels, has begun to increase, again bringing us closer to a balanced market. But demand still far exceeds supply, leaving us in a less strong seller's market. I'm available if you have any specific questions about the market or need anything as we work our way through this crisis. If your family needs to make a move, I'm still open for business for you. As always, I'm Cheryl Pocock, your trusted advisor with Realty One Group. And oh, by the way, I'm never too busy for your referrals.